I tell you, it is easy to understand why birdwatching has so many fans all over the world. But you know, it disturbs me that a lot of birdwatchers just look for the exotic types. I mean, the more glamorous birds, like this beautiful heron, the lovely snowy egret, the graceful scarlet ibis, the elegant crowned crane, and the proud peacock. Sure, everybody enjoys these beautiful birds, but what about some of the others? I mean, the not-so-good-looking ones, like the buzzard. That is because to many people, the buzzard, or turkey vulture, is a very distasteful bird. I say, you people are just prejudiced towards my poor, repulsive, wrinkled, red-skinned, hook-nosed cousin. Because most people think of him as sort of a flying trash can, the buzzard has become the most misunderstood of all the birds. That is, except in a wonderful place called Hinckley, Ohio. For 364 days a year, this sleepy little town lives a very normal life. But on one very special day in March called Buzzard Sunday, thousands of birdwatchers from all parts of the country come here to celebrate the annual return of the buzzards to Hinckley Ridge. No kidding. Just like the swallows return to Capistrano, these buzzards return here to roost just as they and their relatives have done for hundreds of years. The people come by car, by foot, all ages, shapes, and sizes, in any kind of weather, rain or shine, snow or sleet. The whole town makes ready to welcome these beloved birds back from where they have spent their winter. Festivities begin as the first bird watchers arrive for the Buzzards Day pancake breakfast. Everywhere there is a reminder of who the guest of honor is. For those who may not get a chance to see the buzzards return, there is a pet buzzard on hand for close inspection. Meanwhile, out at Buzzards Roost, as the scheduled time for the buzzards' arrival nears, the traffic is bumper to bumper. This is a great outing for the parents and the young ornithologists. For some kids, it will be their first experience at this historic event. Pennants, balloons, ice cream, all help to ease the tensions while waiting for the bird's arrival. Everybody keeps a sharp lookout. Some await the buzzard's arrival open-eyed. And open-mouthed, too. A TV camera records a buzzard imitation contest. As the 0 hour approaches, the park naturalist explains how to identify a buzzard. Using a lifelike dummy. Confidentially, this is as close as some of them care to come to Hinckley's hero. Uh-oh, I think the Rangers have spotted the first arrival. Yeah, it is official. The buzzards have returned to Hinckley Ridge.
Return to Hinckley Ridge. Ooh, every heart is young and gay. With wings outspread, they circle overhead, telling us spring is on its way. The bridge, Mother Nature sends the word. She is giving us the bird. When the buzzards return to Hinckley Ridge.
Thank you. Thank you. My mother thanks you. My father thanks you. My sister, my brother, me, and all the birds thank you. But believe me, folks, it is still tough to be a bird.